Welcome back to the channel, crypto enthusiasts. If you're looking to earn passive income with your crypto in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into the top strategies that can help you grow your portfolio without actively trading. Whether you're new to the crypto space or a seasoned investor, there's something here for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and let's unlock the potential of passive income in the crypto world. First, let's define what passive income in crypto actually means. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part, and in the crypto world, it's all about making your digital assets work for you. This can be through staking, lending, yield farming, or even holding dividend-paying tokens. But before we jump into the specific ideas, it's crucial to understand that while these methods can be lucrative, they also come with risks. Always do your research and consider your risk tolerance. Let's start with staking. Staking is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income in crypto. Essentially, you lock up your coins in a blockchain network to help validate transactions, and in return, you earn rewards. It's like earning interest on your savings, but in the form of crypto. The most popular networks for staking are Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Solana. Depending on the network, staking rewards can range from 5% to 20% annually. Remember, while staking is relatively low risk compared to other crypto activities, there are still risks involved, such as network vulnerabilities or slashing penalties. So choose your staking platform and coin wisely. Next up, we have crypto lending. This is another popular method where you lend your crypto to borrowers through a platform, and in return, you earn interest. Platforms like BlockFi, Aave, and KuCoin allow you to lend your assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stable coins. The interest rates can vary, but they often range from 4% to 12% per year. What's great about lending is that you can earn passive income while still holding onto your crypto assets, but be aware that lending also carries risks. These include platform insolvency, borrower defaults, and market volatility. So, always assess the platform's reputation and security features before lending your assets. Now, let's talk about yield farming. Yield farming is more complex but offers higher returns. It involves providing liquidity to decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and earning rewards in return. Essentially, you're locking up your assets in a liquidity pool and you earn a share of the transaction fees and possibly additional tokens. Yield farming can offer impressive returns, sometimes upwards of 50% or more annually, but it's also one of the riskiest ways to earn passive income because of the higher rewards. Yield farming comes with higher risks, including impermanent loss and the potential for smart contract vulnerabilities. Make sure to research the platform, understand the risks, and diversify your investments to mitigate potential losses. Another interesting way to earn passive income is by holding dividend-paying tokens. These are tokens that distribute a portion of the project's revenue or profits to token holders. Popular examples include KuCoin shares, KCS, and Nexo tokens. By simply holding these tokens in your wallet, you can earn a share of the platform's revenue. It's like holding a stock that pays dividends, but in the crypto world. While this method is relatively passive, the value of the tokens themselves can fluctuate, so it's essential to keep an eye on market conditions and consider the long-term viability of the project. Another powerful method for generating passive income is running a masternode. Masternodes are servers that maintain a full copy of a blockchain and perform specific tasks, such as processing transactions and securing the network. In return, masternode operators are rewarded with crypto. Popular projects that offer masternode rewards include Dash and PIVX. Running a masternode can be highly profitable, but it also requires a significant initial investment and technical know-how. If you're tech-savvy and have the capital to invest, running a masternode could be a great way to earn consistent passive income, but remember, it requires ongoing maintenance and monitoring. Lastly, let's discuss cloud mining. Cloud mining allows you to rent mining hardware and earn a share of the rewards without having to deal with the technical aspects of mining yourself. Companies like Hashing24 and NiceHash offer cloud mining contracts for various cryptocurrencies. While it can be an easy way to earn passive income, cloud mining profitability is often lower compared to other methods due to fees and market conditions. Before jumping into cloud mining, be sure to calculate the potential returns and consider whether it's worth the investment. It's also essential to choose a reputable provider to avoid scams, and there you have it, some of the top ways to earn passive income with crypto in 2024. From staking and lending to yield farming and masternodes, there's a strategy for everyone, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Remember, while passive income can be a great way to grow your wealth, always do your research and understand the risks involved. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Let me know in the comments which passive income strategy you're most excited about, or if you have any other ideas to share. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.